Hey guys, Coach Pillowfist here, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to wrap your hands for boxing. Now, there are plenty of YouTube videos out there on how to wrap your hands, all claiming to be the best method. I've been in the sport a substantial amount of time, and this is the way that I wrap my hands. So on my right hand, I got the more common 180-inch Mexican-style hand wrap from Title Boxing. On my left hand, I got the 110-inch Mexican wraps. All right, these are a little bit shorter. I'm going to teach you how to wrap both. So with these, you'll notice that they have this little thumb loop where you're supposed to put your thumb through. All right, but we're not going to use that. What we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap around our knuckles just like this. All right, I usually do it about 5 or 6 times. This is gonna be your knuckle padding. All right, so you're gonna take it off of your hand. Now what you're gonna do is make a little excess flap right here. You see this little flap right here? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pinch that just like that. That's the way I'm gonna grip it as I wrap around my hand just like that. Go over the top once, right over the knuckles. All right, now we got this nice little padding over our knuckles. Then I'm gonna cross over the top, wrap around my wrist once. All right, then I'm gonna come around, I'm gonna go to the fingers. So starting with between the pinky and the ring finger, just like that. Make sure you guys have your wraps as flat as possible. You guys don't want these little folding like this. All right, we want it as flat as possible. So go down through the fingers, go out to the side of the outside of the hand, just like this. All right, not the inside, the outside. All right. So we're gonna cross over the top, go around the wrist once. All right, next, we're gonna go between the index finger and the middle finger. This time, we're gonna come out on the inside of the hand, right here in front of where the thumb is, all right? And again, we're gonna cross over the top, go back to the wrist, wrap around once, all right? Lastly, we're gonna go in between the middle finger and the ring finger, all right? Just like that. Again, we're gonna come out the inside of the hand right here in front of where the thumb is, just like that. Cross over the top, all right? And then from here, what we're gonna do is we're going to wrap around the thumb, all right? So we want our thumb protection. All right, go over the top of the thumb, all right? And then out the back and back over the wrist, just like that, all right? Then you basically just finish off at the wrist, just like, all right, and there you guys have it. All right, I like to go about this far down the wrist, and there you guys have it. All right, I got my knuckle padding right here. I got my thumb protection, all right? And then when I open my hand right here in the palm, I got an exposed palm. This is what you want right here, all right? We don't want the hand wrap to cover the palm right here, all right? Lastly, I'm gonna show you guys how to wrap with the Mexican wraps. Now, because these are a little shorter, we're gonna have to sacrifice all that knuckle protection, right? So therefore, I recommend you guys to have some extra padding. This right here, I just got some folded up gauze. So I got some folded up gauze, and I'm basically just gonna put this over my knuckles. These are gonna be my knuckle protection. But everything else is basically the same process, all right? I'm basically gonna put my Mexican wrap over the gauze, just like this, pinch over the knuckles, wrap around it once, just like that. Everything else is the same, all right? All right, and there you guys have it. All right, I'm just gonna put this little clip right here, secure the hand wrap, boom. So this is the way that I wrap my hands, all right? Whether you wanna wrap them like me or follow somebody else's method, all right, but this is just what I wanted to show you.